Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and be reviewing these gel polishes someone had sent over to me. They did include 2 packages, but I don't know if I might review both at the same time in this video or if I might do a separate video, you know, just to bring out more content for you guys. So I'm not too sure, but I will let you guys know here whether I did that or not. Or in the title, by the title you probably can tell. But I'm going to go ahead, and this is how the box looks. It has these beautiful cartoon gel polishes. I love the design, it looks super cute. Here it gives you instructions on how to do the manicure. I think that's about it. I give you some questions and answers in the back. And then here it does give you the ingredients, which I love when they include the ingredients, some helpful tips, and just what's included in the package. Go ahead and open this part up. Okay, so this is how they look. They look absolutely super pretty. Just look at how these look. I love them so much. It includes a variety of shades, some reds, some nudes, and some bright colors. So their gel polishes are 5. They're 5 milliliters, and the top coats, base coat, and the matte top coat are 7.5 milliliters. So the size is pretty small for these, and this one are bigger. Let me go ahead and try to show you the consistency of it. Okay, so this is the glitter one. Oh my gosh, that is super pretty. That is a really pretty color. Just look at how gorgeous that is. I absolutely love it. I want to go ahead and see the rest of the glitter colors. They look super pretty. This is a gold color. Let me get my camera to focus on the gel polish itself. Okay, this is the next color. Ooh, this is really pretty. Just look at how beautiful that color is. So I'm super happy that the color shows at the top, so I don't have to create swatch sticks, which I'm actually still going to do some swatches for you guys. But I do love that they have this at the top, especially because I put my gel polishes in a drawer and I have them by my desk here, so I can just go ahead and look at the color without having to take out the bottle, which becomes actually a huge hassle for me. So I really do love that it includes a little stick at the top with the swatch color. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and be using some full cover extra long coffin gel tips. These are from AliExpress. I'll be sure to leave a link down below if you guys are interested in them. I went ahead and already pre-buffed the nails. I'm not going to go in with the base coat just because gel on gel should adhere pretty well. I'm using the number 𝐾005, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint a very thin layer onto each nail, then curing for 60 seconds. So these gel polishes are extremely pigmented. They're full coverage, they're great quality. I 100% recommend these. I only did 1 coat on each nail, like I said, and the coverage that I got was amazing, so I definitely do recommend. I'm going to go in with some alcohol and a polygel brush to go ahead and clean up my sidewalls.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna.
So on the pinky, I'm going to go ahead and be doing a sugar nail. So for the glitter not to adhere to the rest of the nails, I'm going to go ahead and top coat the rest of the nails.
I can help you out. I can help you out. Here we go again.
So here you guys can see the white iridescent glitter that I'm going to be going ahead and using to do the sugaring effect. So on this one I'm going to do a thin layer of that top coat. Then without curing, we're going to go ahead and simply just sprinkle that glitter right on there just like so. Making sure that we fully coat the entire nail. Once I have it to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and be curing this for 60 seconds.
No place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
So now that that's cured, I'm going to go ahead and use a brush to remove any of the excess glitter we don't need. And basically that is it for the sugar nail. Now I'm going to use the color N050, which is from the previous kit that I received. Now I'm going to go ahead and place a little bit onto my dapping dish here. My little plate. And I'm just going to go ahead and slightly draw a diagonal line across the nail. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill that in very well. We are going to do a sugar effect again on this nail, so the glitter is only going to adhere to the water polish that I currently am doing here. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw that and clean that up, and then like I said, we're going to do that sugar effect again.
Change. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna.
So now that I got my design, like I said, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle that glitter everywhere. And tap 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 to remove any of the excess. Then curing for 30 seconds, and then using a brush, once it's cured, we're going to remove any of the excess glitter. And now we're going to draw a little tiny line again. I'm going to just clean this up, and then again we're going to do the sugar effect again. So this is how the nails look so far. Now here at the edges, you guys can see that some gel polish is basically touching my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hand file, and I'm going to gently remove that gel polish that slipped to the side. Just making sure, that I clean up my sidewalls so the nails look, very neat. I went ahead and dusted off that dust, and this is how it looks so far. I'm going to go ahead and continue just making sure that the whole nails are, perfectly crisp. Just doing any shaping, basically not too much shaping, just like I said, removing any of that gel polish that I slipped to the sides. So I'm going to grab some of the color K004 and place a little bit onto my plate here. Once I have that done, I'm going to grab the number K001, which is a very bright, beautiful color. Then I'm going to grab the color K006, which is a very pretty, proud color. And then lastly, this color, I have no idea which one it is. It's very hard for me to see, but it's a very light gray color. And I'm going to be using these XXC liner brushes to go ahead and draw my butterfly. These are currently unavailable, but you can find some similar ones on Amazon. So first, I'm outlining the wings of the butterfly. Once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and with the same color, I'm going to basically kind of fill it in. Little wings a little bit, but not all in, I'm not going to fill, I'm only going to basically do a very thin outline, if that makes sense. It's very hard for me to explain the way to do this. But I am cleaning up here the wings with some alcohol and a polygel brush. Here, like I said, I'm filling it in, but not too much in. Now I'm going to grab some of that gray color and some of that pink color that we used previously. And then I'm just going ahead and filling the rest of the butterfly in with these colors to go ahead and just kind of make a grading effect, Once I have that done, then I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. So now that I've cured that, I'm going to go in with some of this brown color. And then I'm going to go ahead and just basically outline the entire nail. Once I have my outline done, I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds.
Show you, baby, one more time. When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
So I'm going in with the number K007, which is a very bright pink color, and then I went ahead and added some of that K001 color, which is a white color, and I'm mixing this to go ahead and have a very light pink color. So this is how it looks. Now I'm grabbing some and I'm going to draw a heart. This design is also actually not my original, it's not an original design. They actually copied it off a nail artist, which I really love their work. Their work is absolutely amazing. I will show a little link down below, credits to their Instagram, and also leave it in the pinned comment because I currently don't know which one it is. But I'll be sure to, let you guys know who the idea is from. But once I have my heart down, I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Now again, I'm going to go again and do the same exact design here onto the ring finger. And I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy watching this part.
It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time, lost in my head. I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
So to kind of make the butterfly a little bit more realistic look, I went ahead and added these lines, which later on, actually I'm gonna let you guys know now that I do regret adding these lines. I don't like the way it looked. I wish I would have just kept the butterfly the way just like this. I think it would look much better. But anywho, what's done is done. But yeah, it's very easy design to do. Very self-explanatory. I'm using my dotting tool to go ahead and also do the white dots. Again, I also regretted doing this. I think the butterfly looked fine the first time I actually did it without any of these outlines and any of these little dots. So after all of that nail art, this is how the nails look. They look okay. Like I said, I wish I wouldn't have added those lines, but it is okay. We shall learn from this experience. So I'm going to go in with the top coat and just top coat the rest of the nails. I'm going to be using some of these rhinestones on the middle nail. So I'm just going ahead and top coating this nail, and then I'm going to top coat this one just because it did get a little tacky because I used so much alcohol when creating these lines, so that kind of just messed the top coat up. But anywho, I went ahead and added top coat here, and I'm also using that to basically adhere my rhinestones. Once I have my rhinestone placement down, I'm going to go ahead and adhere for 30 seconds. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I went ahead and went in with the cuticle oil. Just, moisturize those cuticles. And this is the final result. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Like I said, just wish I would have just done some stuff a little different. But overall, I'm very happy with how these nail set came out. My mom really loved them, so I hope you guys do too. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching for today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.